Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration Channel. I know it's been a while since I've been done a video. I've been trying to weld this trunk floor in, and my old welder it wasn't doing the trick, and I wasn't sure if I had a power problem or if I had an issue. But then also on top of it, my eyes just kept bothering me every time I'm using this helmet here, and I've had this helmet for probably 7, 8 years now. Well, maybe no, probably longer than that. Probably actually about 10. And what I noticed is that my eyes were burning quite bad after welding. And I thought, well, maybe it's my old Century welder because the arc was always on, and so sometimes I'd flash myself when I start welding and having problems. But I kind of decided that I was gonna I borrowed a friend of mine's welder, a Lincoln, which is an instant on. So as soon as you pull the trigger, then the electricity starts. So I wasn't flashing myself, and my eyes were still burning. So I decided to bite the bullet and go. I got this helmet for 150 some dollars, and this is a Washington alloy true color helmet. It has the grind feature in it, and then it has it has the larger welding screen, quite a bit larger than what's in this helmet here. So looking, it's got so far, it seems to be helping me a ton, and it's they say that true color, which means when you look at things through it when it's off, it's the color that it's supposed to be, and so that. It doesn't have that green tinge to it. This helmet, the old Harbor Freight helmet, lots of green tinge to it. So, I guess things you update as you go along. But I couldn't do without this helmet. I didn't want to damage my eyes, and this old helmet wasn't working. So I'll be retiring that one, keeping this one. I may comment on how it's doing in a couple months and see. I've just used it a little bit today, so I'm not going to say that it's the greatest thing since sliced bread, but who knows, in a couple months I might have a super opinion for you. So, hey, take it easy, guys. I know this is a short video, and I know it's been a while, but we are working on a 57-210, just moving forward slowly. Keep the rubber side down. Talk to you later.